So I was working on this guitar, restrung it, clean it, ready to go. But the problem I realized, not probably many beginners can notice, is that this tone is not changing the sound at all. It's doing nothing. The middle position, however, you can hear the difference. So let's take a look and remove this. This is could be not a common problem, but it's a problem that I've seen before more than once. Is that two of the legs are touching here, and we can take a look once we open the guitar up. All right, so the strings were loosened, and we're just gonna be able to lift this up. Oh my God, the wires are so short. Okay, my God, I can't even flip this without struggling or at all. Yep, we can see here, you can see these two legs are in fact touching. Why did they not use an actual wire? I don't know, but they're touching right now, and we can just probably use a needle nose plier, fix that right up. Yeah. Oh, look, there's also a loose wire. That's just great. Gotta look at the diagram and see how I can fix it. Look at the loose wire here. My God, the quality of these things. So apparently this goes to the middle of this, and then it should not be touching. So I think what I'm going to do is just to do an actual wire, so even if there's a little bit movement, and it's not going to cause this kind of thing. Come on, Squire, use an actual wire like this. How much money is going to cost? And not do that using the leg of the capacitor at all. So while that's heating up, we're just gonna fix this right up. Wow, I think I can. So after working on the jack here, discovered this problem from the tone pot. So yeah, I didn't expect to have to open everything. I mean, the most ideal thing is I change the strings and set it up and everything works perfectly, but I guess that's what we do. So that's fixed up. Yellow wire connects to the middle lug, and the red wire connects to the right lug at the middle tone pot. Time to put all the screws back and expect it to work. All right, so all the screws are back in place, and let's take a look at whether or not the middle tone is going to that's working, and great. Well, there you go. And I was hoping to just bend the legs and separate them so they don't cross, but I thought a wire would be a better solution, and we also found a loose wire. I think I'm gonna go and buy the lottery tomorrow, because what are the odds of finding out that there's a loose wire inside when there's two legs of a pot that is touching each other that disabled the tone. Anyway, have a good night, and hopefully this is helpful for you to find out why your tone knob doesn't work.